Assalamu alaikum friends. Hello, you can see that now we are preparing for the moving towards the National Day. So for the Saudi National Day, which is the 92nd Saudi National Day, these are the preparations. You can see this is the main gate or the reception of the KFUPM, King Fahd University of Petroleum and Minerals. And I will show you how we are preparing for the National Day and how we will be celebrating this in our university on the Saudi National Day, which is a very famous event here, and there are 3 holidays given to us. And you can see there is a lot of lightning and decoration in our university. If I can show you this, you can see that there is decoration like the cultural flag and screens and lightning. Also you can see the KFUPM iconic tower. The admin building is here, just the vertical one, and then there is CPG, and here we have the stadium. And this is our main gate or the reception. When you will join or come to the university, you will reach to this gate. So now I will show you how we are celebrating it. The theme is the green. Green is related to the flag color. So this is the flag color. I will show you also the reception here. So Etisham will also guide you about the National Day, and we are preparing to have a event on the Saudi National Day, in which we will also be making a vlog and updating you about the celebrations which we had here. So now we are going. These are the cars entering it from the main gate to the university. So you can see we have just reached, and here you can see there is one banner on which it is mentioned as the National Day, Happy National Day in Arabic and English both. So you can see we have reached to the security. I will continue the camera after the clearing the security checkpost or the security. So you can see this here. This is Markaz Al Istiqbal, which is the welcome or the reception center. All international students, when they come, they first report here, then they are sent forward to the other block. Okay friends, let's continue our video from this welcome to the KFUPM We Dream and Accomplish, which is just at the reception. So you can see this here. Then the lights are there, and you can see today there are flags on the poles, so which are actually a symbol of the National Day, especially to increase the patriotism in the people. So you can see these flags. Maybe I can just zoom and show you them here. So they are decorated all around the campus, including the gate of the Saudi Aramco and the Saudi Aramco facilities, which is just nearby our campus. Maybe sometime I will show you the Saudi Aramco facilities here. Actually there is a biggest headquarter of the Saudi Aramco just at the adjacent side of our university campus. So actually what I want to show you is the lights or the decoration. So I will pause the video and I will show you from when the lights will begin. Friends, now the lights have came and I will show you the decoration. Here you can see on the screen there is one portrait shown, in which there are different leaders of the country are shown and displayed. So you can just keep watching the video and you can appreciate the culture here we have. And you can see this screen in which the flag is shown. So we have Hay Lanadar Al Yawm Al Watani Al Saudi 92. So this is everything which I want to show you. This is the flag now on the screen. So also the lights on the iconic tower, everything is decorated in the green color. Also I will show you there are some students which are playing the soccer or the football here. So there is a lot of sports culture, swimming, basketball, football, which you can use these facilities, which are good for your physical and the mental health. So you can just see them here. I am showing them you in this video. You can see there is a lot of lightning here, so you don't feel alone or depressed here. So a lot of students are still playing. You can say this is the time of 9:20 in the night. So you can see the quality of the turf we have here. So this is everything. Friends, this is the bus stop, and you can see inside there are chairs you can sit down, and there is always the air conditioning inside the bus stop. Some students, they use their bicycles, like this guy is using the bicycle. So it depends you want to use the bus, which is available for free in the morning time, or you can have your own cycle which you can use to travel in the campus or outside. But what I will recommend you is to do not travel on bicycle in the night out of the campus, because this is dangerous to use a bicycle in the night. So try to use a bicycle in the daytime. In the night time, the transportation inside the campus is not available, but in the daytime there is a lot of transportation and buses coming every 2 minutes, and you can just wait in the bus stop. So the male and female students both wait here. Now there is co-education here, so even in the night time the transportation for the female students is available, and the female housing at Sham already have shown you. So this is the view of the KFUPM iconic tower. You can see that lights are showing the Haylana Dar Al Yomul Watni 92nd. So this is building 68, which is actually the Deanship of Graduate Studies and these places. So we have the student restaurant Matam at Talab, so where you can eat the food. You can see we have also these scooters. You have to pay to travel on them, so you have to pay some certain amount of money using your mobile phone to use these scooters. They are not available for free, so you should pay. So either you can have your own bicycle or you use these electric scooters inside the campus, but if you have your own bicycle, this is more affordable. I will show you some students are playing the volleyball here. So if you are very fond of playing the volleyball on campus, you can play here. Okay, you can see that this is the KFUPM security car decorated for the National Day, which is Yomul Watni Al Saudi. This is the logo of KFUPM. So this is our university security car decorated for the National Day. So you can see and appreciate the decoration of our cars.